Hello guys, I made multiple videos about this topic, but this is a new update. I will try to show you every single possible way on how you can fix this product has inventory but shows as sold out on Shopify. Now I know guys, you are struggling with this and there aren't a lot of videos about this topic, so that's why I'm making this tutorial. It's updated and I will show you every single thing.
As you can see,
I made this video
that you can do to fix this.
I made this video like 9 months ago, and they showed this solution, but it didn't work for everyone.
So if you are shipping internationally and the inventory is not like the products are not in stock in international market, they are only in stock, for example, in your country, then you just need to click here. It says publishing, and you want to click on three little dots, click on manage markets, and here you can deselect international market if the stock is not there.
So what I meant here is you want to select international market and primary market in order for these markets to be able to purchase the item from your store. Okay, so that's exactly what I mean. So what I want you guys to do is to check if you have the option to add to click that, because like Shopify removed it from like many themes. Okay, so you will not be able to do that. Okay, here is exactly what I can do to help you. I will show you every single way on how you can fix this problem, so make sure you watch this tutorial till the end. This will take only a few minutes and then you will be able to fix the problem. Now first you want to go to settings at the very bottom left, and then after that you want to click on shipping and delivery, and then after that you want to scroll. Okay, shipping and delivery, you want to click here. It says general shipping rates, and then here where it says fulfillment location, you want to click on add location and then select the location here where you have the stock. Now in my case, I'm going to select here Importify, click on add and then click on save. Okay, you can also add the shipping rates here. For example, shipping zones, you want to add here the shipping zones here. If you haven't done that already, like the prices and stuff like that, you already know what I'm talking about. For example, add the rate, the custom here, the custom rate name standard, for example, and here the price. You can offer free shipping, just 0.00. That's free shipping. Then click done. Then make sure you click on save. Now try if this problem is still there. If it's still there, let me show you another way. So another way, guys, which may not work for you, but you just need to try it and see if it works. Now go to products and then click on the product. Now you want to scroll down. Now make sure you select all the variants here if you have a product with like multiple colors, multiple sizes, and after that you want to click on bulk edit. Now after that you want to click here where it says comments. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Now I want to select this one where it says continue selling when out of stock. Okay, so just do that, and here you will be able to see the quantities by location. Now if there is a location here where you have the stock, you want to select it and make sure you click on save. Now see if this problem is still there. If it's still there, let me show you another way. Okay, this problem may be because there is one variant, for example, that's out of stock inside the product. Okay, so if the product, for example, if you are able, for example, to see all the like different quantities for each variant, but there is one variant that's out of stock, what you need to do is you want to click on the product and you want to find that variant here. Which variant, which color, click on it. After that you want to click which size, and after that you want to scroll down and you want to select this where it says here track quantity, and make sure you toggle this one that says continue selling when out of stock. Here the available amount, you can change it to 10, for example. Now and after that you want to click on save. Now keep in mind, if this doesn't work, for example, you have a problem only with one variant, what you need to do is to remove the whole variant and then you want to replace it. Just create a new one by doing just this. I'm going to show you what you need to do. Just select the variant and then remove it. Okay, click on remove. First you want to click on because this color contains many sizes. Now for example, this one, click on it and then remove it. Okay, delete variant, and after that you want to click on add variant here, add variant, as you can see, and then add the new one. This may fix the problem. Okay, Now another way, guys, is to click on settings at the very bottom left, because some people you don't set up the locations and stuff. Just need to click on settings at the very bottom left and then click on locations. Now here you will be able to find the different locations you have added here. Now when I click on the location, and make sure you select this one that says use inventory at this location to fulfill online orders. You want to add it here, you want to toggle it on, okay, next to fulfillment. Now if you don't have the locations, you want to click on add location, and then you want to add here the name and the address, and make sure you enable this one that says use inventory at this location to fulfill online orders, and this may fix the problem. If it's not, let me show you another way. So another way, guys, is to remove the whole product. I know this is weird, but just go to the products and remove it, and then try to start from scratch by clicking here in the top right for add product, and then you want to add it from scratch, or you can just open the product page or the product here, and then you can use the same information, the title and stuff. Once you finish, make sure you remove it first, just remove the product, and then publish another one. And I hope, guys, this is like, hopefully this fixes your problem. I know this is very bad, a lot of people struggle with this. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. And if this tutorial, guys, helped you, please drop a like. That would be highly appreciated. I'm trying to hit 5 likes. If this one hits 5 likes, I will make another one. So see you guys next tutorial.